I bet most of you don't have this mini GT Aventador. It's the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador Black. Let me show you what's inside. Do you know why this model is so hard to find in the market? Let me know in the comments below. Are you excited to see this? Even the packaging is so special. Wow! I really love this model. Black and gold never goes wrong. Check out this contrasting gold color details. Look at the details on its wing. Let's enjoy this model for a minute. It totally matches my LBWK turntable. Comment if you have this too.